She moaned his name while we were tangled together, and it wasn't mine. I froze. The air between us turned thick, electric, almost violent. I asked her, point blank, why she'd called out her ex's name when I was literally right there, and she just stared at me, eyes wide with something wild and guilty. Instead of denying it, she laughed, nervous and high-pitched, and then started crying, which somehow made it worse. I felt every muscle in my body tense up, waiting for her to say it was a mistake, a slip, anything. But she didn't. She said she couldn't keep hiding anymore, that there was something I needed to know. Turns out, every other weekend when she visited her sister out of state, she was actually with him. Not just hooking up, a whole second life. She had an apartment there, friends who thought she was single, dates with him in public like I never existed. My stomach dropped out of my body. It wasn't some one-time thing, she'd built another version of herself, and I was the side character in her main story. The worst part is how casual she was about it, as if she'd rehearsed this reveal 100 times and I was just the final audience. She said she loved us both but in different ways, that she needed both versions of herself to feel whole. I wanted to scream, to throw something, to make her feel the chaos she detonated in my life, but all I could do was sit there, numb, listening to her explain how she balanced her two worlds like it was some kind of hobby. Here's the twist, I realized I'd always suspected something was off. The way she'd disappear into herself sometimes, the half-truths, the way my own reflection felt like a stranger when she was gone. I wasn't shocked by the cheating, I was devastated by how much I'd let slide just to keep the peace. Now, I'm left wondering if loving her was just another way I was lying to myself, clinging to a fantasy because the truth burned too hot to touch.